Greetings, fitness enthusiasts, health-conscious viewers, and curious minds from around the globe. Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes in the creation of the whey protein fuel that powers your workouts? Well, you're in for a treat today. You should watch this before you drink your protein. Join us as we venture into the heart of the whey protein manufacturing process and take a look inside the world's biggest protein factory. From the dairy farm to your shaker bottle, we guarantee you won't want to miss this. Every day, lots of people worldwide add whey protein to their daily diet. This type of protein comes from cow's milk and goes through a series of steps in factories to become high-quality protein powder, which might be why whey protein can be so expensive sometimes. But how exactly is whey protein made to produce over 10,000 bottles every day? We'll explore the behind-the-scenes details of making one of the most popular supplements in the industry, from the dairy farms to the manufacturing plant. Whey protein comes from cow's milk, specifically the liquid part that separates during cheese production. This leftover liquid, once considered waste for thousands of years, posed challenges for the environment when it came to disposal. As technology and nutrition knowledge improved, people recognized the nutritional value of whey protein. This led to more efficient and eco-friendly methods for turning whey into useful products, like protein supplements. The manufacturing process starts on dairy farms, where cows are bred and taken care of for milk production. The idea is that happy and healthy cows produce high-quality milk, which is the first step in making a top-notch whey protein supplement. On average, a dairy cow can provide about 30 liters of milk per day. Cows are milked twice a day using automated machines, and the milk they produce is rich in proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and minerals. The collected milk is stored in refrigerated tanks to keep it fresh and avoid contamination. Afterward, the milk is transported from the dairy farms to the cheese processing facility in refrigerated trucks to maintain the right temperature during the journey. Upon reaching the cheese factory, the milk undergoes a thorough quality check to meet the required standards before moving on to the manufacturing process. The fresh milk is stored in refrigerated tanks until it's ready for processing. Before pasteurization, it's crucial to check the quality and freshness to ensure food safety. The milk then goes through a pipeline system to a heater, where it's heated to around 60 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. This step is vital to eliminate any harmful bacteria, making the milk safe to consume. After heating, the pasteurized milk is rapidly cooled to 4 degrees Celsius to stop the heating process and prevent any negative effects on quality and taste. If you are enjoying our content so far, please take a moment to like and subscribe for more. Throughout pasteurization, careful temperature monitoring is maintained to keep the milk within specified temperature ranges. Following pasteurization, the milk is sent to a specialized processing unit designed to separate its components. After pasteurization, the milk is put into a large container and a coagulant is added to make a solid mass called curd. At the same time, the remaining liquid, called whey, contains concentrated proteins and other soluble components separated from the curd. In the cheese factory, the curd is used to make fresh cheese, while the whey takes a different route. Typically, physical methods like filtration are used to separate the curd from the whey. During this process, the liquid part left, known as whey, is rich in whey protein. This step is crucial for obtaining the essential protein needed for whey protein. The whey may have small amounts of unwanted fats and minerals. In some cases, an extra purification step is done to remove these elements, ensuring a cleaner and more protein-focused whey. Some facilities use microfiltration and cross-flow filtration to further refine the whey protein. These methods help remove impurities and concentrate whey proteins, resulting in a pure final whey protein product. This natural, low-temperature process separates the protein from fats and lactose, creating a finished product exceptionally high in protein while preserving essential nutrients. After filtration, the whey goes through an evaporation process using industrial evaporators to remove excess water. This process is carefully controlled at a low temperature to preserve the proteins in the whey. Controlled evaporation gradually turns liquid whey into vapor, concentrating proteins and other solids. Once a significant amount of water is removed, the concentrated liquid whey undergoes a drying process. Hot air aids in further water evaporation, and cold air helps cool the product. This ensures the final product becomes a powder with minimal moisture. The resulting powder is then sieved to remove larger particles, ensuring uniform size. After sieving, the powdered whey enters a mixer to eliminate any remaining moisture, creating a consistent mixture. The final step involves packaging the product in sacks for distribution to wholesalers. These sacks are sent to the world's largest protein factory, which operates non-stop, managing hundreds of tons of whey protein and producing various products. Every day, thousands of sacks of whey protein powder reach the dietary supplement company's extensive warehouse. The materials are taken to the weighing room, where precise measurements are made for all raw materials. All raw materials go through a fine sieve, usually with a 2mm opening, to ensure they break down well for easy mixing. The whey protein powder is then taken to the mixing area, where various flavors are added to give each product a unique and delightful taste. The powdered protein is mixed in rotating drums for a few minutes. In the filling stage, an operator puts empty containers on the conveyor belt to start the process. An automatic filling machine, precisely calibrated, is used to fill the containers with the right amount of whey protein powder. A worker uses a vacuum hose to transfer the whey protein from the sacks to the filling machine, ensuring accuracy in the filling process to make sure each container has the specified amount of protein. After filling, each container goes through a careful weighing process to confirm the correct amount of whey protein powder inside. Moving along the conveyor belt, the containers go to the next phase, where another worker adds a measuring spoon to each container and securely seals the corresponding lid. A visual quality control check is done to confirm the product's appearance and ensure there are no visible contaminants. Critical information such as the product's name, nutritional details, usage instructions, expiration date, and batch number is carefully labeled on each container. Once labeling is done, an employee inserts a plastic ring into the lid of every container. Then, the containers go to a heat sealing machine where the plastic rings are sealed with precision and tightness using heat. The filled and verified containers are arranged in boxes for convenient transportation and distribution, ready for customers to consume their whey protein for muscle building. And there you have it, folks, the inside scoop on whey protein. We hope you found this video as fascinating as we did. If you found this video refreshing, make sure to show some love by hitting like and subscribing to enjoy more similar content.